Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build your own team for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. You're going to go to the event menu and go to the discovery and select team up, and here where you can create your own team. Team up, hoping. Okay, I'm going to click on go and let's see what happened. Alright, it's mysterious players team. You can create team right here. You just need to click on invite now, and then you're going to get the link, and let me click on this menu. Okay, each DG member has only one chance to join the team. You can either accept an invitation to join an existing team or create your own team. Rewards are unlocked based on the total members in the team. Both the team leader and the members can claim them. When the team reaches 2 or more members, the team leader will receive an extra reward. Oh, and these are the event rewards. For the team rewards, cumulative, 3 tiers in total. 2 members, wishing stars, roaming of timber, moonlight crystals. Okay, so the rewards depends on the number of the team members. Okay, if you want to create a team, click on this menu. Okay guys, and that's how you can build your own team for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.